Happy Father's Day from Indy Hammered Knives. This is Josh, and while I'm usually behind the scenes making these videos, I had a friend come up to me wanting a special Father's Day gift for his father to show his appreciation and love for the skills and wisdom that has been passed down to him. So, here's the making of it, and at the end I will explain why the handles are so special to him. My friend Stephen Daniels gave me 2 pieces of Eastern red cedar, the exact same cedar that was milled out by his grandfather when his uncle and father were kids. So, these 2 holy skinners have these exact same wood that was milled by his grandfather. These knives signify 3 generations of fathers and the legacy that they will pass on. Happy Father's Day, and God bless.